Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Turn power to the dryer off at the circuit before you start any work. Unplug the dryer and move it away from the wall about 2 feet. Wear gloves and a dust mask to avoid lint inhalation and skin irritation. Have a 4-inch diameter rigid or semi-rigid metal duct ready for the replacement. Keep a screwdriver, duct clamps, foil tape, and a vacuum nearby. Confirm the external vent hood is accessible and unlocked for removal. Detach the old duct by loosening clamp screws and pulling the duct off the dryer collar. Use a screwdriver to remove any screws and carefully slide the duct away from the wall outlet. Vacuum inside the dryer outlet and the wall cavity to remove lint and debris. Open the exterior vent hood and inspect for nests or lint buildup. Remove the exterior vent hood by unscrewing its mounting screws and clearing blockages before installing the new duct. Attach a new 4-inch rigid duct to the dryer collar and tighten the clamps securely. Run the duct with minimal bends and secure it along the wall using straps every 4 feet. Seal duct joints with oil-rated foil tape and avoid using plastic or cloth tape for safety. Reattach the exterior hood and fasten its screws to the siding or trim. Push the dryer back into position, restore power, run a 10-minute dry cycle, and check airflow at the outside hood.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.